So, how do you enable the two-factor authentication on Quora? So, to start off, let's open up the Quora application. Now, here you just need to click on the top left to your profile, and you just need to scroll down till you see settings icon on the bottom left and click on it. Now, here you just need to click on account, and here you need to scroll down and see if you can find the login security, and you just need to click on the require email verification. So just turn it on. Now, whenever you log into your account, it would need a verification code from your email, and after that you would be able to log in to your account. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.